the machine testing at our UAC. Test the insulating line. So it's proper. The running the machine is successfully. During the machine testing while we are and hope that it is helpful to see